Children, we have read the poem stanza wise. Now we will discuss the meaning of the poem stanza number 1. This poem is about the rain season. When the sky is covered with dark clouds, the shimmering light of stars seem to be round, visible sources of light. The darkness mourns sadness, but the sweet rain comes with the peace to solace the lonely night. Means the poet is talking about the scene when the dark clouds are there. There is loneliness, and the poet feels sad. At this moment, the poet like to enjoy the joy and pleasure of sleep. He wants to lie on his bed and enjoy the perfect rest. He can sleep with the sound like a child and hear the patter of sweet raindrops falling on the roof. Now, second stanza. This is starting with the stanza Every Tinkle on the Shingles. This is second stanza. Here, the poet says that every tinkle of the raindrops that fall on the tin roof means he is having a tin roof house, so he can hear that sound. It produces an echo in the poet's heart. The sweet memory of his childhood evaporates in his mind. With such feeling and imagination, he hears the patter of the rain on the roof. Means in this season, the poet recalls his memories of his mother. When his mother was there, he was small. He misses his mother the most during this season and this time when the rain is falling upon the roof. In the last stanza, the poet remembers his mother many years ago. During the poet's childhood, his mother used to look down at him and her other children. Darling dreamers means the other children, one who dreams and the other children. His mother would look at them every night, for she knew she would not see them again till the next morning. The poet stresses how his mother would watch over him. The memories are there as he listens to the repetitive sound of raindrops as they are falling on the roof where his house is, and he recalls the memories, sweet memories of the mother. Shingles, the meaning of the shingles I want to discuss is the small round stones. So the falling of the rain is compared to the small stones falling on the tin sheet. Okay, I hope you must have understood.